Hello, and welcome back. After all we learnt so far in PySpark, we will perform big data ingestion and cleanup operation. You can perform this on cluster or local PC as shown in this video. You can easily scale the operations from gigs to terabytes on cluster seamlessly. We will also learn few more Dataframe operations that were not covered in the Dataframe class. We have New York taxi data with us. Link to the download is given in description section. The dataset is of two different types, one is trip data and other is fare data. We are going to use Dataframe functions to join the data and do some cleanup. Let's first create Spark session object. We then load the dataset using readCSV method. We will set infer schema flag to true to get the schema of the dataset. Let's print the schema of the two datasets using printSchema method. The type of the data returned is Dataframe. We can check this using type method. We will next join the two Dataframe into single frame. In order to do that, Spark has join function. We will need a common column name in both the dataframes to join. Medallion is the common feature name in both the dataframes. Left join will choose all the data from the left dataframe, TriData, and perform matches on column name Medallion. If a match is found, values are filled from the matching row, and if not found, unavailable values are filled with null. As shown, the two dataframes are combined into new DF. Let's now drop some of the columns of the dataframe. We can use drop method in series to drop successive columns as shown. Here we are dropping Medallion, hack license, total amount and toll amount. As shown, the columns are dropped from the dataframe. Now let's perform filtering on the dataset with multiple preconditions. We want to filter out data with passenger count between 0 and 8, have traveled distance 0 and 100 and trip duration between 30 and 7,200 seconds. Notice how easy it is to set conditions with Dataframe. After executing this command, we can see the Dataframe is filtered out. We learned from this session about ingesting big data, creating join of two dataframes, dropping columns and then filtering the data based on multiple conditions. These are operations typically done during ingestion and data cleanup. Next we will learn basic SQL commands and perform data preprocessing with it.